If you could tell us more about what your solution does, what you are aiming for.
Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from Taiwan. I'm the CEO of Turing Space. We work on two things, digital identity and cyber credentials. So you can imagine like putting everyone's national ID, healthcare ID, driver license into one app. And it's for lifelong usage scenario. That's what we do. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. And what was the need that brought you to a QFTH program?
Oh, I'm just super interested personally about the GCC region because throughout my entire lifetime, this is the first week on the GCC region, not for the airport transfer. I finally get out of the airport. And the first place I visit is Qatar, so I haven't visited the other places yet. This is super lovely. It's a very, very safe city at the same level as Tokyo and Taipei. And people are warm, welcoming, introducing me to a lot of different resources and connections. So even though it's a short week for 6 days, I feel like I meet a lot of people already. So
that's great. And what did you gain in the program, in the acceleration program?
Yeah. Hopefully their investment, they haven't lost yet. A lot of like potential clients because they're the company working on the financial technology that is a combination with our technology as well. For example, like in the finance, it's very important to identify who is who.
Yeah,
right?
Exactly.
Is that person trustful? Is that lender or a borrower a trustful credibility history? So those kinds of authentication, verification is the key, and we can combine with all the solution provided right here.
Exactly, and more all the financial elements are actually digital, so it's different way to actually verify that you are who you say you are.
When you're not in person, how do you know? Right.
Yeah, so, and we do not want to go in person to banks anymore.
We don't. Yeah.
So awesome. Congratulations and all the best for your next steps.
Thank you so much. See you in Poland.